Okay. Happy Mother's Day to everyone that's a mother out there. Just an update. Having a bit of a squeeze here. I cut out my back section, which is going to have to get cut down to 7.5 inches. Right here. I cut my spacer boards, but as you can see, got a bit of a rock there. It's not placed in yet because I do want my vent here. I need to block it off this side, and make a runner board that'll run, I think I'm gonna do about 2 inches from the actual back board around to here, where to stop maybe about 2 to 3 inches from the corner. So my air vent, you get what I'm saying. But this is where I'm at so far, y'all. All right. Creating this hump is not the easiest thing when you're only working with this. And let me show you. All right. Right here. See this right here? All right. Your 30-degree cuts is going to be your best friend when it comes to making these right here. I didn't do 45 because 45 is going to carry it too far. So I do a 30-degree cut, and I get these pieces right here. As you can see, if my camera will focus, okay, there it is. All right. The underside board was actually cut at a 45, which I needed it so that it'll match well with my hump for my transmission. That's, the transmission hump that's in the truck. All right. So this is where I'm at, y'all. And like I said, using very minimal tools to be able to construct a box for your under the seat. It's not the easiest way, but it is one of the ways. And this is all I'm going to do today. I'm going to stop pretty much right here. I did get some of these. Actually, just got some of these in. So these are going on the back of those, and this is actually the previous monster. I mean, it was a disaster. My fiberglass work ain't really worth a damn. So, but I mean, when it was in, it was beautiful. It was pretty. I mean, you couldn't see all the crap at the bottom because of the fact that, for one, I didn't fiberglass the whole thing. I only fiberglassed the front face. Let's get that right. All right, then I covered it with black, like a black, what I want to say, fleece, right? I covered it with a black fleece because you're not going to see, only thing is exposed actually is the face, And it was my first run, and I was told to actually try fiberglass. I said, nah, I don't want to do fiberglass. Try it. I'm telling you, you'll love it. And this is the end result. So, as you can see, I'm pulling away from the fiberglass. Maybe again in the future. But right now, no. But I am going to do speaker rings, lifts for these. And I'm going to body fill. I'm going to smooth it out. And I'm going to paint. I'm going to keep it more wood structured, but with a coat of paint. No fabric at all. None. Wood, filler, paint. And watch how beautiful this box comes out when I am done. You're going to be like, wow, you actually made that out of nothing. I mean, a freaking, skill saw You know, you got your drills, you got your your impacts, some PVC piping, which I was considering to use this as a single port and go all the way across, right? But then it would be one port on one side. So I was considering to use this like this here, and so that it'll actually meet both, you know, all four subs. But it would be entirely too big. I'm actually considering making a box, a rectangle type box, and just mount it here and leave it about maybe about 1.5 inches off of the back wall, so that the air pressure from both sides can go right in there and come out. Just, you know, a few things, you know, and maybe round them off. So, you know, put a lip on it and round it off so that, you know, this side catch all the air, and, you know, this one over here so this side can catch all the air. The key to it is to be able to get as much of that base wave out without causing too much turbulence. And if you don't understand what that is, that's when the base comes out, and if your ends are not smoothed and rolled over, the base waves would do this. They would just turn instead of coming out with very minimal turbulence and just come out and just, I mean, the sound quality is much better. It's much smoother. So I'm kind of considering, you know, different options, but I will be back and I will update y'all as I continue to move along with this project. And I can't wait for the very first time that we test this thing. We put it in, we wire it up, we get it slamming, and let's see what it do. I'm out. Rock on. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.